Now it is time to reorganize my entire closet so that it fits my entire summer wardrobe in it. Well, that's the goal. I do actually have a pretty small closet. Then I'm basically just gonna take all of this winter stuff, put it downstairs, and make room for my summer stuff, which I'm actually really excited because it actually might fit because summer stuff is obviously a lot smaller. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep like sweatpants because I do still wear sweatpants in the summer, so I feel like I'm gonna keep those. I feel like I'm going to need to like do a plan and then get my head straight and like figure out what I'm actually doing. But I'm gonna start with taking out all of the winter stuff. Not that I have a lot. I was just like dancing. Okay, so now I'm basically just reserving these for all of my bulky stuff, like my jeans, my sweatpants, cropped hoodies. I almost fell over. Oh yeah, you can see that. Now I'm going to focus on this section. I actually have a ton of room to work with, so that's so exciting. I'm going to put these like this because I'm going to hang some stuff here and here. Let's start with putting, I think, my dresses over here. First, I'm putting all of my longer kind of blousey tops at the back, and then I have all of my dresses, obviously the cutest one at the front. Okay, now we have all of my cropped blouse shirts and little fancy t-shirts. Oh my god, it's gonna be so neon at the front. And then I have all of my skirts here. This one, you're probably like, where was this in the try-on? It was lost. It was just somewhere in my room and I didn't have it for the try-on. This is from Urban Planet. It's a skirt and it's orange. The brown one. I'm gonna put this in there. So it's like lighter. Yeah. Oh my god, this is so much better though. I can put my sunglasses. In these two drawers, I'm gonna be putting all of my crop tops, crop tank tops, crop t-shirts, and all of my bathing suits. And I also don't think I'm going to be doing the file folding method that I did before because it was just a little bit hard to fit everything in. And I'm also really lazy. Like, I literally will fold my clothes into... Right now I'm going to be going through my bathing suits. I feel like there might be some that I want to get rid of and kind of refresh. And I also have 90% tops. I don't have a lot of bottoms, and that is something that I need to get. This one I actually love. This is from Princess Polly. These red bottoms are from Aerie, and I like them. They fit really well, so yes. This top is actually new. Love it. This one's from Aerie. It's like a deep V. I actually like this. Okay, maybe I don't have anything to get rid of. Guys, I just bought this recently. I kind of invested in a good quality swimsuit, and this one is from La Vie en Rose. It is this number. Pearls at the back. Oh my gosh. These are the matching bottoms. Get out of town. Here's the thing. I have another red bottoms, but these are just like a little bit more cheeky than the other ones. They're like a different style. I do want to keep these. So I have this wrap top, which it looks like a piece of string. You wrap it around yourself, and it's really cute. This is from Amazon. This is from 437 Swimwear. They sent me this, I think, a year ago, and it is very cheeky and kind of scandalous. But I would wear this tanning just to not get any weird tan lines. Beautiful pattern. And then also came with a little sarong, which might be good for a photo if I wear like maybe a different top. This top I love. I think it's from Shein or Zaful. Oh, this is from White Fox, I think. And then it has strings that tie around your waist. I feel like I need to buy white bathing suit bottoms just to like be able to wear with all these crazy pattern tops that I have. This is from Princess Polly. I love that. This is from Aerie. Look how cute that is. It's like a neon one shoulder. Okay. This I call my Sarah Cameron top. This is from Garage. I do wish I bought it in a different color because I don't think this color looks the best on me.
I don't think it's gonna make a big difference in your skin tone. There's not much of it.
Okay, so I'll keep it. And this one I like too. This one actually makes me look so tan. Yeah. I have no bottom because they don't fit me. Like if I get a small or an extra small in the top, the bottoms won't fit. Or the bottoms are like a piece of floss. Okay, so I finished everything. I finished putting everything in and organizing it, and now I'm just gonna do a quick little summer wardrobe closet tour. Up here we have all of my dresses and all of my long sleeve blouses, and then skirts and short sleeve blouses. We have all of my jewelry here. I kind of want to get a little bit more just regular chains. I have a ton of like colorful pendants and stuff, but I want to get a really nice gold chunky chain. And then down here I have my sunglasses. I have bras, underwear, and socks, tank tops, t-shirts, and swimsuits. And then down there I just have all of my activewear, which was normally there. I can't believe I fit all my stuff in here. Like, that's crazy. Some of my hoodies, I just picked basically like my faves and put them there. Those are all of my biker shorts, and then I have all of my leggings here. Then we have all of my cropped sweatshirts, all of my shorts, and then all of my sweatpants, and then my jeans, and then all of my hats there. But there's a space right there because I'm wearing one. Don't think that I didn't think of that. I will link this hat rack. It's so sick. That is going to be my 2022 summer wardrobe refresh. I'm gonna sell a ton of my stuff on Depop, so make sure to go to my Depop. It's Sadie Aldis. I will have it linked, and I'm gonna be moving into an even smaller closet soon, so this needed to happen. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hey guys, it's Sadie. Do you remember when I used to film morning routines and they would look like this, and I'd wake up and I would look like that, and it would be so cute. Like, I would literally have my hair brushed. I wouldn't be having allergies. I sound like a man. So much has been happening. Like, I think it's pollen in the air. Like, my nose, done. Blocked. So life update. Okay, what is my hair? Forgot to dry it before I went to bed, which is my first mistake because I already know that when I blow dry it today, I'm gonna hate how it looks. It's gonna be all puffy and stuff. I'm gonna try to put like oils in it or something to make it less disgusting. But look at that. Yes, a life update. So the past few days, I went out with my friends. Didn't really get a lot of sleep on one. Oh my god, I have to sneeze. Yes, I went out with my friends. It was really fun. And then I started my period. But last night, I actually did get a pretty good amount of sleep. Like, I think I went to bed at like 12, and I just woke up, and it's 9:55. So it's 10. So I got like 10 hours of sleep. I don't really know what I'm doing today. And also, my life has kind of been a mess. Well, just a lot of things going on. But this vlog can be like a day of feeling better, because also the video after this is going to be like a preparing for Greece with me. So I have a lot to do. Today is Monday and I leave for Greece on Friday, and I have nothing done, which is fine. And I also think I forgot my glasses at my friend's house, which is an hour and 15 minutes away. But yeah, I hope you are having an amazing day. And if your life is in shambles too, you're not alone. Okay? I need coffee. I also need to check the weather because I want to see if I can tan. Oh my god, I can tan. That like already made me in a good mood. Oh my god, my hair. Oh. What is so weird is that I never eat my breakfast in the kitchen. Like, I haven't eaten my breakfast in the kitchen in months. It's kind of weird, but my everyday breakfast lately is actually really good. So because I'm diabetic, I can't really have carbs in the morning, like fruit or oatmeal or like cereal. I don't know, I'm really sensitive in the morning. Like, my blood sugars are very sensitive. So instead, this is my meal. 1 full egg and then 2 egg whites, and then I mix them together, and then I put nutritional yeast and onion flakes, and I like mix that in. So I make a little like omelet sort of, but just like with those spices. This on the bottom is called a smart bun. Like, it's like a bread with like no carbs in it. I'm pretty sure it's like mostly fiber. And then I put some ham in there, so I make a little like ham and egg sandwich, even though it's not a sandwich because I only use half of a smart bun. Yeah, so that's my breakfast. Obviously coffee. And then what I do is I come back in my room. It's kind of weird, like, you guys are seeing me out of my schedule. I went all the way to like my hometown to hang out with my hometown friends, so I didn't work out, and then I went out, and then I didn't get sleep, and I actually did upload my video and like make a couple TikToks and reels and stuff, so I'm actually really proud of myself for that. I haven't like written in my planner, so now I'm gonna turn to the next week. Well, today's May 30th. Okay, let me write a little to-do list. I need to unpack, post a reel. I need to drink my coffee. Oh, I need to buy a multivitamin. Oh, and I want a tan. I'm gonna put that on my to-do list. I think that's it. I'm gonna be really active on my story. Oh my god, let's change my little affirmation card for today. Every day I experience the joy of receiving and giving abundance.
I have to unpack.
I need to fix this hair situation. What I use when my hair is vile like this is this. I don't even know what this is. It says coconut and shea nourishing leave-in conditioner, detangles, moisturizes for softer, smoother hair. I just go like that. put it on the ends of my hair, it saves it. It does actually save it. And I really try to focus it only on the end because if I put it anywhere near the top of my hair will be greasy in 4 milliseconds. So it already even looks better. Also, I think I noticed that I actually have wavy hair. Since when? When I was growing up, I had pin straight hair. Like, I would not even blow dry it and it would be pin straight. And now I feel like I wake up and I have wavy hair every morning, which is so weird. Oh, see, I can actually get through it. See, that is really good. I honestly feel like if I could choose between having my hair look good versus having my makeup look good, I would say hair. Say if my hair was nice and curled, but my makeup wasn't done, I would be fine with it. I'd be so fine with that. Rather than just having your makeup done and then your hair looking whack. I don't know. Let me know if you agree or if you don't agree. But I actually am just realizing right now that I should probably put my hair up. Guys, my battery just died, so I'm gonna charge this one because I want to tan and I hate having like hair just on me while I'm like sweaty and tanning. That's like the one thing I don't like about this helix piercing is that it gets stuck in my hair every time I put my hair up, but it's still worth it. I actually have a board on Pinterest called accessories and I pin the ear curations that I like. They're just so cute. Like I'm just obsessed with earrings and like the ear curations of people that have like a good amount of piercings. Okay, what is this doing? Now I need to find a bathing suit. I'm filming this vlog after organizing my closet, so I'm not sure if I'm putting the closet thing before or after. So bear with me. I want to wear one that's like not gonna give me weird tan lines. I'm just gonna do, actually no, I'm gonna do my brown one. Okay, I was gonna do this one, but I'm feeling brown. Today's giving brown. So I'm gonna do this one. Okay, I'm gonna be here. I don't want to get demonetized, but also look at my tan line. I am just gonna be here for the next 40 minutes, getting some sun. It's so relaxing that I think I'm gonna like watch more YouTube or like listen to a podcast. This is so random. I took my hair, like I slept in a bun. I took my hair out. I mean, it looks really puffy right now because I just brushed it out, but it's kind of like curly. I did some really quick makeup. Like I just did sunscreen, concealer, and mascara. But I'm like really, really glowy. I also like sprayed my face with the Radiant NYX setting spray, which I love because you could literally not even have any makeup on and just spray your face with setting spray and it would look really glowy. So that's like my little secret product, I feel like, for like glowy skin. I put these little heart earrings in and then I have this necklace on. I'll show you my outfit. It's actually really cute because it's like super hot today, so I wanted to wear a skirt. This is my outfit today. I just had this skirt from Zaful. This shirt is from Aeropostale / Blue Notes. Getting into a hot car with leather seats is great. I've been using my car so much lately, so I'm going to be using my mom's car. My mom and I are just gonna go to, is it Square One? We're going to Square One. We have to drive on the highway to get there. My mom wants to get one of those like linen white button-up shirts. I had nothing else to do today, so I'm gonna go. It's so weird when I'm in my mom's car because she has Apple CarPlay. Guys, I literally just decided that Burlesque is my favorite movie. I don't know if you've watched it, but if you like musicals or if you're like a dancer, it's literally such a good movie, and Christina Aguilera is literally so talented in every single way. And the soundtrack, I was actually listening to the soundtrack when I was driving home yesterday from like an hour away. The full hour, the soundtrack was like on repeat.
Really?
So good. We spotted the shirt. This is actually men's. My phone keeps doing this thing where it zooms in. It's giving square. I feel like it's too wide, but it is giving Greece nonetheless. But I literally promised myself I wouldn't spend any more money on clothes because I've been spending too much money on gas. Okay, we're trying the woman's one. Oh, I like that.
Exactly what you mean. That's the one.
I'm not buying it. If I could borrow it just a couple times. I can't put the cap on.
The trick to getting this cover on.
Thank you.
Sorry about that.
It's okay. That was so embarrassing. We just took Instagram photos here. Don't know if they're gonna be any good, but I can probably use them for one of my little covers. If you notice, I've been putting little covers on my reels so that they look better on my feed. It felt more like me. I also got an iced almond milk latte. Taste it, actually. I haven't tasted it yet.
That's a no?
It's a no. I'm gonna still drink it.
Yeah.
But like, oh my god.
You had an emotional weekend.
I did.
You had a lot of drama.
I told them that my life was like stressful, has been stressful these past few days. But also my mom and I were just talking about me maybe uploading bonus videos. I could just do vlog, like literally an extra vlog. Like I always ask on my Instagram story what people want to see, and then they always say vlogs. Like whatever I ask, it's always vlogs, vlogs, vlogs. So I'm just gonna do it. We have like a 50-minute drive home. My mom's gonna ask me questions about anything she pleases.
Let's talk about the university. Are you excited?
I think I was more scared than excited before, but now I'm more excited than scared. I'm like finally gonna be part of a community and a group. People are going through the same thing as me. Before with YouTube, I felt like I was the only one that was doing it, and like I had no one to talk to get like guidance from. And then now I feel like I'm like a part of something. I'm gonna be like in a neighborhood of students.
Yeah, you've kind of had a weird couple of years. What are you dreading?
I'm dreading the course load. I'm dreading the schoolwork. Honestly, I'm just dreading the schoolwork, not because like I don't want to do work, because I know myself and I'm gonna want to like get really good grades. A lot of people say that it's just like impossible to get really good grades in some classes, so I just need to like try to not be perfect at everything, like relax a bit. For context, everyone, if you didn't watch my video, I'm going to Laurier for communications.
Living alone, that'll be, you're dying to get rid of me?
No comment. I'm just excited to have my own independent back. I am back from the mall. Oh, I am just so exhausted, but I have some energy from that coffee. I think I'm actually going to edit some photos. Like we took some Instagram photos. I don't even think they're good, but I'm gonna edit them anyways. I wanna just take more photos everywhere. Doesn't even matter if they're like Instagrammable. I used to just like delete photos if they weren't perfect, like if they weren't like up to my standard, but that's literally so dumb because then the memory goes away. So I'm just gonna keep like a couple of them, maybe like 5 options of all of my photos, even if I don't really like them. This is kind of the vibe of it. There's like a really cute little bench. I wanna make a new channel banner because mine just doesn't work for me anymore. Just can't do it. Just can't even look at it anymore. I'm gonna play some Ariana while I'm doing that. So let's get to work. Hey there, I was editing a video. I did finish my, sorry, I just got a text. I did finish my banner. I actually really like it. So let me know if you like it. I think it just like matches the whole vibe way more now. It just makes me very calm. It is so hot. It's so hot. Like, oh my gosh, it's a little bit humid here. And I'm currently in the sunroom. We actually recently just like kind of revamped this room, and now it is my favorite place to be all the time. It's like another family room. A sunroom is basically a room that isn't really connected to like the heating or the air conditioning of the actual house. So it's just like kind of like an add-on room, but now we're actually gonna get heating in here for the winter. Currently watching Tana. I was so picky right now. You know when you look through YouTube and you're like, no, 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 nothing speaks to you? That's me right now. I don't know why I don't want to watch anything. And when I usually don't want to watch anything, that means it's like a Netflix night. But then there's nothing on Netflix that I really want to watch. But I want to watch something kind of funny, but also not a comedy. But then I also end up watching videos from The Cut, like that YouTube channel, and Jubilee and People. Sometimes I even watch like the TED Talks that are on YouTube. I have a headache, so I don't really feel like editing, but I feel like tomorrow I should do a lot of editing. It's kind of golden hour, but there's no gold, so it's just hour. But thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe and press the bell if you like this video, if you want to see more of my face as well as my life. I love you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.